How to change your primary email address on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm sure to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Facebook application on your device over here and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on the gear icon over here. So as you tap on the gear icon, it will lead you to settings and privacy. So all you need to do is just tap on see more in account center over here. So tap on it. And as you tap on it, tap on the profile option again. You can just go back and then select on personal details over here under the account settings category. Then tap on the contact info option. So tap on it. So here what you can simply do is you can tap on the particular email right now and you can delete this email. And as you delete this email, you can just add new contact and you can change your primary email address on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.